We have the bak chickens. And here's my dog Cooper. That dog is Cooper.
I want to say hi.
My sister.
We don't want today to the morning.
It's morning time at the first day farm life vlog, and right now we're gonna give you the whole tour of the farm.
I want to say, you have to do this. You have to want today.
Ow, 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 an ant bit me. Ow, 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 ow. Smush it. Smush it out of it.
That's one.
See? And this is where we grow our plants and our vegetables.
Show old garden.
This is where we grow it, our small garden. Anna calls it, my sister. And those are some, wait, I need to show you the other chickens. Here's the garden, small one. And those are the other chickens.
Yeah. Let's go.
We're gonna go back. Oh, don't run! Here's the banana trees, tons of them, all around until the exit.
Oh.
I'll show you the chicken house, the bak chicken. Whoo!
Wait, Lan. I'm gonna show you the goat's house here.
The goat's house, the goats are not here anymore.
See?
Let's just go to the chickens. We're in the farm, we don't have Wi-Fi, so that's alright, because it's the farm adventures. Every day I start to run, that's why I'm sweating. Because, yeah. Oh, ants! Yana, go on that side. Okay. Hey, ants on my slipper! Ants everywhere. Ants everywhere.
Itchy, the ant bit me.
It's okay, the ant bit my sister at that foot. Here, this is where some of the chickens are. Right here, at that place.
And there's our chicken there.
And other chicken house, there's like a separator. See? And I'll show you where they are. The baby chickens.
Let's go here.
Those are babies. Oh, be careful of the chickens. See? Well, excuse me. Thanks, chicks. Here's our other dogs right here. This is Chuck and Sandra and Zion. Yeah. Let's go back to the farm. I mean the base, which I caught at the tree house. We'll sleep here for days since our old house will be repaired. It's almost done. And yeah, right, Yana?
Look at this chicken.
I'm just talking about those. Oh, wait, I need to go far.
I need to go far away to the camera.
Over. And here are the fruits that we picked yesterday. We have atis, bananas, and dragon fruit. And we're gonna go upstairs and I'll give you a tour on our room. Make sure I don't drop the phone. I'm up now. on upstairs. Okay, here's where my mom works and dad, over here at this table. And also, here's where our activity folders are, Lianna's and mine. And the speaker. I'll show you the room. Here's the room. Yeah. And now guys, I'll show you my spiders. Look, you gotta hold this one, that one. Whew. I fed a spider last night. Some food, a baby spider. And then when I fed it, it became weak. We put him in water and then got back up again.
I'm gonna show you this big place, but it's so heavy. And
So sweaty.
I will go get my.
it's so hard to open.
I'll get my sister's spider.
Put it in a case.
Get up. Now I will show you my black spider, which I always call Black Mamba. Where's Black Mamba? He's sleeping. Yay! And here's the Black Mamba.
And let's do the other. Let's do this one.
He's so fat. Hey, here's our little play area. If it doesn't rain, we play here. It's like a small play area with grass. Sometimes we play floors lava here. Let's play floors lava, okay? 1, 2, 3. Floors lava, come with me! Yana! Oh, there's lava because it's the floor. Come over here at these rocks. Run! The floor's not lava. Okay, we can run. Every single time. This is where we start playing floor's lava. We say floor's lava. We have 6 seconds until we can get to an obstacle. Come here. 1, 2, 3. Floor's lava. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. How about the stairs? Aaron's at the rocks. The what? The wood is lava. If the wood isn't, if the wood is lava, then why are you staying on the wood?
There's this one, then this lava. This one to the way of the
No way, let's not run. Oh no. Is that a coconut? Is that a coconut? Is that a green tasty coconut? Is that a coconut? Is that a coconut? It's a coconut! Dad! Found a coconut! Come here. Here's the coconut. There's the fresh one. Up here. The fresh coconuts are up here. That's a coconut tree. I know, but it's not fresh. Look how cute. Look how cute. Look how cute. Look how cute he is. Look how cute. Look how cute. Look how cute. Look how cute that baby is. Oh no, that girl turned into a zombie. Oh no! Ah! Run from the zombie! Ah! Hey! That zombie's mad, bro. Zombie's mad. There's a zombie. Got me, guys. Look at that zombie. See a zombie? The zombie almost got me. The baby zombie. It's crazy. Ah! Stop, it tickles. Stop, it tickles.
Yummy.
Look how yummy. Look how cute that face is. You ain't gonna fight me.
I'm the boss. You're not the boss. I am
What? So now, they're picking coconuts. They're picking coconuts. And now they're getting coconuts because later we're gonna go cook bamboo shoots with coconut milk. And we're also gonna drink coconut juice, right?
And happy for eating.
Yeah, healthy for it. Up there. It's a bit sunny. So, yeah.
So this is coconut.
There's a coconut nut. It's a giant nut. If you eat too much, you'll be very fat. Not too close. They're going down.
This is other coconut there.
What?
This is coconut there.
Oh, one more coconut tree over there. Lianna said. You're gonna get coconuts. Can you climb the tree?
No.
Go. Stay back. Stay back. Nut is a giant nut. You eat too much, you'll be very fat. Those are cocoa butts. I like coconuts. Here's a pizza place. I'm ready to party. Wait, Lianna, I'll go check something. Dad, there's Mom's phone. I'm gonna go.